Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 10/11/2024 and the time is roughly around 8 o'clock. And last 1 week, absolutely there is no momentum, lot of sideways movement, up and down and up and down. And predominantly now we are getting into the major astro combination of 11, 12 and 13th. So most probably we are going to head for a major upside or a major downside in the coming days. But the number says it's going to be on the downside. But anyway, the first 15 minutes high and low of 11th, 12th and 13th will do the needful. So I don't want to go to the chart again talking about all that because nothing happened yesterday, but I want to show only my Ichimoku chart. So now if you go here, this is Ichimoku and Nifty is not at all looking good when compared to Bank Nifty. So now the last point here, it came down and again it went up, rejected at the cloud, then again it closed below the cloud. I'm talking about the lagging span. So this is not good for the market. This is not good for the market. And now more or less we are getting into the C clamp here. So 1, 2, 3, maybe another 3 more candles, then this C clamp will get activated. And already the cloud is red and it is descending. So most probably we are heading for a lower when it comes to Nifty, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, still it is holding that book date low, which is this low, is the book date. So still it is holding that book date, but it is unable to cross the cloud. So as I already told you in my last week webinar that even when it tries to go up, it will not go up, it has to come back because the cloud is big, it will not take it. So most probably it may try somewhere here or somewhere here, but till the time it has to hold this baseline here, break below, the problem will start. Okay, so when it goes to the number, last week we gave crucial numbers in Bank Nifty, which was this number. So market came and took the support here. On the same day it went and touched this number and exactly it got rejected at this number. The first target 42,448. That is the first resistance of the Bank Nifty. So if you go to Bank Nifty, if you put that number 52,448, that is the exact high of last week. And if you go to the lower side, and the lower side number was this 3 number, which is 50,880 to 50,86 whatever 841, 50,841. So that was the exact low of last week, and from there it went and rejected at 52,448. So now this is going to be the major sideways movement when it comes to Bank Nifty. When it comes to Nifty, we gave one number which is exactly at this number, because this is the crucial number in between this support and this major support. So this one number which controls the market, which is 23,815. So if you go to Nifty, 23,815, that was the last week low. So now on the top side, after crossing this, the resistance is here and the last number is 24,519. 24,519. So now if you go here and you put 24,519, so that is the number it got rejected. So trading within the cycle from one number to one number, so 100% consolidation last week. So this week it is going to simply rocket from here or rocket from here. But when you go and see the numbers, so now let's talk about the next week scenario. So now 11th, 12th and 13th are the combination date. So you need to watch out for first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful, number one. And number two, it closed a little above here but little below here, so not working as of now. So tomorrow I will give the weekly number which you can use it for the coming week. So now let's go to the major thing. Now Nifty and Bank Nifty number converge to the core. So be ready for 350 points in Nifty future and 750 points in Bank Nifty future in a single day, in the next 2 days time. And this is the first convergence of November month, and this is the timings for tomorrow. Okay, so now how to trade this number. So now if you come down, so now this is Nifty future. So now all these numbers are in red. So based on this number, it clearly says the market will be on the downside. So for example, now let's go to Nifty future. Let's go to 15 minutes. So first of all, mark this number 22,428 to 22,319. So what is that convergence? The convergence means within this number, the highest number and the lowest number, the difference between these two must be within 33 points. Then only it is called convergence. So now, till it is below this number, it is bearish for the entire month. Till it is below this number, it is bearish for the entire week. Till it is below this number, it is bearish for the entire day. And this is going to be the major resistance level. So now, if you go 24,288 to 319, 24,288. Okay, 24,288 and 24,319, I think. Let's go and see what is that number. Yeah, 19. So now, till it is not crossing and closing above this number on a at least 30 minutes closing basis, this market will again come down only. So now, for example, tomorrow, let's say the market is opening higher. If it get rejection here, go short here with the stop loss of 54 points. For example, tomorrow the market is opening somewhere here, gap up. Then it is coming down and touching this number. Take an entry with the stop loss of 54 points from this low number. Okay. So now, unless and until it is not going to close above this number, it is bearish for the entire week. Suppose if it opens gap up and comes and touches this number, the first target is 24,448. This is the first target. Once this market closes above this number on a daily closing basis, then only this market is bullish. Otherwise, every time when it goes above, it will get rejection and it will come down. And this is the weekly spot numbers which you can use it for your reference. Now let's go to the Bank Nifty. So now again Bank Nifty, it got convergence. It means this highest number and the lowest number, it should be within 144 points. That is called convergence. So now let's go to Bank Nifty and do the same thing. Bank Nifty future. Now let's go to Bank Nifty future. Now again we will put that number. So the number is 52051 and 52180. Okay, so now this is the number. So now again the same rule here. If the market opens gap up, little gap up, and it gets rejected, go short here with the stop loss of 144 points. For example, if the market is opening gap up, coming down here, taking the support here, take the entry with the stop loss of 144 points. Then be with the trend. So now where is the first target? The first target will be This is the highest number. So till it holds this low or even this low, there is no problem. But once it breaks this number, we will be in tremendous problem for this week. Tremendous problem for this week. The minimum target is this number minus this number, the highest number minus the lowest number will be the first target of the market, of Bank Nifty. Suppose if the market breaks below here, when it comes to Bank Nifty future, then these are all the targets on the downside. So last week we clearly wrote, below this number it is weak. Exactly it came and touched this number and went above. And again last week we clearly mentioned that Nifty has to hold 23,815. For example, if you go here, we clearly mentioned last week that below this number, the bulls will be in trouble till 23,815. Below 23,815, bloodbath. This is what we talked in our weekly forecast video. You can go and check last week. Exactly the low was 23,815 only. From there it moved up. And again from here it moved where exactly and came and touched this number only, 24,519. So any close below this number, it's going to be a bloodbath, which I am continuing for this week also. So any close below that number, it is going to be a bloodbath for the market. Okay. So now let's talk about the weekly combination numbers. I need to go and check where I get it. 1 second. Yeah. So now this is the weekly combination stocks. So now again when it comes to index, the topmost index again it is Fin Nifty, Bank, PSU Bank and Private Bank are having the highest combination, and then the Nifty, then all these are Chota Mota, which is auto, energy, FMCG and all that. But again this week will be ruled by the banks only. Especially it talks about Fin Nifty, PSU Bank and then Private Bank. So Nifty, NSE Bank, you can take it. So now these two will have a major weightage, and the major weightage will be on PSU Bank. So now when it comes to stock, these are all the stock which is having the highest combination. For example, now let's take Fin Nifty is going rocking. So the major weightage in Fin Nifty is having this Bajaj Finserv. So you can concentrate, when it goes up, you can concentrate on Bajaj Finserv. When it comes down also, you can concentrate on Bajaj Finserv on the short side, So now these are all the stocks for the coming week. And when it comes to NSE, it clearly says it is Reliance. When it comes to metals, it says National Aluminium. When it comes to Private Bank, it says RBL Bank. When it comes to metal, it says Hindustan Copper. So like this, you need to use combination of index with the combination of having the stocks which are having the major cycle. Okay, so this is the coming week index and stocks. And that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And this is not the time to do the bottom fishing for even the long-term investment. Wait for some time, because Nifty closed below the cloud, which is really not good as of now for the market, because this is it broken down after a very long time. So you need to be little cautious. No need to worry and jump and put their money thinking that the bottom is made. SIP people, long-term investment goals, you don't need to worry about it. Simply continue that style of investing every month. You don't need to touch that. But any lump sum at this point of time, it is not recommendable, but the decision is always yours. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon.